subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the latest tech updates from TechSole Blog.
After several leaks and rumors, the Oppo has silently launched the new version of Oppo A72 with 5G support. Talking about the specifications, the Oppo A72 5G supports a 6.5-inch Full HD Plus display with 90Hz refresh rate and 20:9 aspect ratio. Under the hood, the phone is powered by latest MediaTek Dimensity 720 chipset, paired with 8GB of RAM and 128GB of internal storage. As per the camera, the Oppo A72 5G features a triple camera setup on the rear in a square module including LED flash. The triple rear camera includes 16MP main camera with f2.2 aperture plus 8MP ultra-wide-angle lens with 119° field of view and a 2MP depth sensor. For selfies, it has 8MP camera under the hole punch at the top left corner with f2.0 aperture. On the software front, the handset runs on Android 10 with ColorOS 7.2 skin on top, and it packs 4040 mAh battery with 18W fast charging support. Additionally, the smartphone also features an side-mounted fingerprint sensor for biometric authentication. The connectivity option on the phone includes 5G, dual-band Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.0, GPS, 3.5mm headphone jack, and a Type-C charging port. The physical dimensions of the smartphone measures at 162.2 by 75 by 7.9mm and it weighs around 175 grams. Now, talking about the pricing and availability details. The Oppo A72 5G has been priced in China at 1,899 Chinese yuan, and it is now up for pre-orders in the country in Oxygen Violet, Simple Black and Neon color options, and it will go on sale starting from July 31st. So, what do you guys think of this Oppo A72 5G smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below, and stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.